So imagine this. There's a competitor that you want to really target with your super cool products with high reviews and really good price. And you go ahead and you create your product targeting campaign. And guess what? After a week or so, you go into your campaign and see that you're not targeting the specific competitor, but your targeting is all over the place. So what's happening? There's a one little default setting from Amazon that actually selects completely different targeting option that you would like to have when thinking about product targeting individual products. So stay with me. Now I went into sponsored product campaign, and after the usual setup of where I want my ads to appear on Amazon or Amazon Business, you select your products and navigate down there. Select manual targeting for product targeting to work properly, and then from manual targeting, from keyword targeting, select product targeting. Now what happens is that by default, you will see your categories suggested here or not. When you navigate to individual products, take a look at this. So by default, it's selected expanded. So if you're not careful or if you're in a hurry, you may go ahead and search for your products or just enter a list that you already prepare, like these are the 5 or 10 or 100 products from my competitor that I want to target, and you paste those. Some ridiculous things are going to happen. First, you're going to inflate your ad spend significantly, and second, your targeting is going to be all over the place. So see what Amazon is defining these expanded like. So they say, for example, if you're targeting a coffee maker to promote your own item against, this feature like expanded targeting enables you to target items that include substitutes, complements, and other items. So that's almost like an auto campaign. So you're deciding to have a product targeting campaign, and you end up having an auto campaign, because substitutes is the other coffee makers, which may sound okay, but still it's not an individual product or ASIN that you want to target. Then complements like coffee filters or even who knows what, regarding related to coffee makers, and other items that shoppers may browse for along with the targeted coffee maker. Now, this can be anything from cars to toilet seats. It can really go crazy with the targeting. So it's easy to fix it. Just disable the expanded, hit exact, paste your ASINs, and you're good to go. I really don't know why Amazon ads team did this, that by default it's on expanded. I'm sure that many people lost a lot of money after setting this up. When you do that, then exclude your own brand, add some negative product targeting if you like. I suggest if this is a new campaign, start with fixed bids. And also nice tip would be that if you're aiming to target your product display pages of your competitors that you just entered, you can boost your product pages bid. For example, you can start with 50% or even 100%, but then have that in mind and lower the suggested bid, because then you will lower the appearance on top of search and rest of search. Therefore, this campaign is not going to be showing up for many keyword related targets, but mostly on product pages. So that's something you can do to influence the algorithm to show your product more on product pages of your competitors. And the rest is the same. Just make sure that you select everything by the book and disable increase bids for high traffic days. We don't like that. So I owe you still the use case for expanded. Expanded one can be used when you want to find new products. It's going to be like a research campaign for product targeting, and that's fine. But if you have intention to do that, then that can be pretty useful. Yes, it's going to be a lot of targets out there who are not going to be that relevant, but that's life. But by proper target management and adding products and keywords into negative ones, you're going to save that money in the long run. Let me know if this is clear, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and see you on Monday on another video.